from now on, each one of my videos will have a completely different intro based on whatever video I'm making. Enjoy the video. Bye! Hello and welcome to this suggested video. This video is suggested by one of my friends. I'm not gonna say who, but so the bags I'm using of Legos are just a cool bag of Lego, a bunch of random stuff. Use mostly big Lego bricks and Lego minifigures. A big blue bag, a big red bag, a big green bag, a big brownish tan bag, big white bag, big gray bag, big yellow bag, big black bag, and maybe if I need some extra, I'll get some Legos. So let's get started. Here we go. So what I'm going to start off with is the structure of the foundation. The front wall is going to be built out of a bunch of random bricks. So for the front, I'm just going to do a mixture of red and maybe some yellow. So what I have here is my first wall. So I'm not going to make it a huge box because that just doesn't seem conventional to add stuff in and take stuff out. So I'm just going to build little walls all around here. Just so when I'm done, I can add subdividers so I can add the different steps and the different stuff to make it all work. So now that we've finished that, you should add the subdivisions. I'm gonna add some in the middle. Subdivisions. I'm sorry I told you subdivisions earlier. That is so not what I meant. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the yellow and I'm going to make one area called, it's going to be called it's gonna be called the distributor. So the distributor is going to be a small part right here. It's going to be about this long. And what I'm designing it to do is be long enough to hold a container, because I'm going to have containers that have like a little dispenser for your glue. So now that I have that up there, I'm gonna put this last piece in. Now I'm gonna go and grab a container to see if it fits. So I'm back with my container, and I'm going to see if it's not actually that big, don't worry. I'm going to see if it fits in the space. It does not. So what I need to do, take them, make it one block longer. Because it looked like one block was just right on the space that we needed in between those butts. So now I put this in. Now let's test it out. Fits perfectly. Now that that's done, I need to figure out what am I going to do. So I'm gonna take more yellow because I decided that yellow is the border. Now the other ingredients that I'm going to add are little plastic bags. Now I'm not really sure what size these plastic bags are going to be, but I'm going to find them. And I'm going to put this plastic bags in the space that I am making here. Because that space is where I'm going to keep all of the little baggies with the food coloring inside. Now what I need to do, take this here, put it back in. Now we discovered this slime thing is done. What I've done is just taken it, made a simple contraption like this, and finished. Next time I'm going to show you all how the slime container works. Slime vending machine works, and what you do with it. Bye. Bloopers. So the ingredients you'll be needing. Oh my gosh, it's not ingredients. Legos. I hope you sincerely enjoyed the video. Keep on DIYing.